Garrett, you're so cocky. He's like 2 feet taller than you. You're playing with the purple ball. It's awesome.
Oh.
I never realized the name was that.
Why did you say fag? I wanted yellow because too many people have blue, and then green I don't want, and then pink is just pink. Do you have an iPhone 5?
Yeah, iPhone 5.
iPhone 5.
I'm so fab right now. So fabulous. Where's the hamster? A gerbil. It
I
died.
don't know. He didn't die. He's still alive.
Where is it?
Hibernating, I think. He does it a lot. He just kind of sits underneath the bedding and doesn't give a shit. And then we'll hear him in the middle of the fucking night getting water.
Showing off his little feet.
Ew.